Hey everyone, welcome back to my platform. This is Prophetess Nurse Lois coming to you once again, talking about health and nutrition because I am a licensed nurse called by God to talk about healing. Okay, so I'm again inside of my 6 feet tall, 6 foot tall steam. Sauna, and this time I am using an organic oil of oregano, and I just want to show it to you in my distiller, okay, that sits on the floor, that plugs into the wall, that's filled with water, and I just put a couple of drops of the oil or whatever type of oil I'm going to use for that session. And the oil of oregano, organic oil of oregano, is an antifungal, antioxidant, anti-inflammatory oil. And once the water heats up and cranks up really, really hot, it'll start coming into my steam sauna, and I will sit back and inhale it, let the steam be a blessing inside of my body and on my skin, where my skin is looking nice and healthy, what is for the inside and the outside. And I have in the past purchased a big case of different types of essential oils, learned what the different essential oils will do, and how they will bless the body, and add them to my steam sauna or my diffuser, because I have a diffuser in my house as well, that I use my essential oils. But I wanted to encourage God's people to be consistent with blessing your body, which is a gift from God. I normally take one day out the week, set it aside, and just shut in with God, okay? Not eating any food for 24 hours, flushing out my body, drinking my herbal tea, drinking my sea moss and bladderwrack in my water to replace the minerals that came out of my body when I got into the steam sauna. I'm downloading the Old and the New Testament. I'm praising my God. I'm just dedicating a day, a whole day, to spend with my Father in heaven. And this is just something God has taught me how to do for many years. Give him a whole day. It's just he and I, you know what I'm saying? Not unless I'm on assignment for God and I have to be away from the house and all of this and all of that. But other than that, when I'm at home, I give God one full 24 hours dedicated just for him. And he and God and I, we just hang out together for a whole day. Me blessing my body and my steam sauna, resting my body, downloading the Old New Testament, me praying in tongues for a day, a whole day, interceding for the world, President of the United States, got the body of Christ, unsaved people. I just spend that whole day with God. I do. Doing an organic coffee enema, flushing my body out, especially when I'm on a detox herb. And I brought back some detox herbs when I was in Europe for the Cannes Film Festival. And so, I've been sipping on that every day, blessing my body every day, because God has taught me how to take care of my body. I told you guys before that I asked him how to take care of the body, and he gave me some instructions. So I'm following the instructions of God walking in the promises of God, because there's a part that we play. There's something we must do, right? And so I'm coming to encourage you. And tomorrow, sometime tomorrow, I'm not quite sure when, your girl gonna be hanging out at the beach again, okay? And just enjoying myself, relaxing. They have a pool at the beach. They have, and I'm probably not going to get in the pool because I don't want to get my hair in the chlorine. But they do have a pool at the beach. You can go boating, canoeing, hiking. There are all types of activities, summer activities, and it doesn't cost a lot of money at all. Okay, so I just want to just encourage God's people to give God some time where you are spending time with Him and blessing your health and blessing your body. Bring it together. Bring it together and watch what God does for you, because you honor the temple of God. This is Prophetess Nurse Lois. God bless you.